What's up everybody, we're back with another video and we're back out here at Lanier again, and this is actually going to be probably the last downforce battles autocross / time attack here, because apparently they're selling the racetrack, so it's going to be a double header today and tomorrow. I might not make it out tomorrow, but I'm going to try to and see. But as you see in the thumbnail, I didn't bring the E36, I brought the BRZ because I have yet to do a track day or autocross with the new HKS Coilovers and the gram lights and everything. So I'm excited to see how it feels with the new setup. And she dirty right now, but damn, I tell you, every time I look at this car, I'm just like, it looks so good. And then right there with the helmet too, it's just nice. So for this to be the last event, there's actually a really good turnout. There's a lot of people out here and a lot of different cars and a lot of cool cars. So before we jump out on track, I'm gonna do a little walk around and show you guys everything that's out here, because it's a lot of cool stuff. From the looks of things so far, I might not be too competitive today. Should have brought the E36, but it's okay. I'm gonna have fun, and it's gonna definitely be fun watching all these fast guys out here. So let me show you. I've seen this guy out here before. He's really quick. This is a LS1 swapped S10, and you can see he got Yokohama Advent AO52s, and it's manual. This is a dope truck. And then I've never seen this out here. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Camaro with the Holly high rise. This is super nice, super clean. This is nice. And he's on RE71 RS's. Oh, major weight reduction. This is nice. Look at that, somebody brought a Legends car. That's gonna be quick. First gen BRZ, Veloster, 1 Series, Fox body over there. Oh, look at that C10. Woo. Let's go ahead and skip to the other side. Yeah, look at this C10 on the forge lines. Listen to the chop. With the big Holly screen. This AMG, Tesla. Hey, what's up? You all right?
Yeah, man, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, here go Mike and the Mini. Hey, what's up, man? Long time no see.
Oh, what's up, man?
Yeah, you been all right?
Yeah, how about you?
I'm good, I can't complain.
Hey, when are you gonna start racing now?
Oh, well, I don't even know.
Trying to figure it out, man.
Yeah. Like, I guess like really just doing like track days with like Jay Zilla and stuff like that, but this was like the most cost-effective thing that we had, you know, so I don't know.
Man, I mean, if they keep going, hopefully they'll ramp up the prices.
Yeah. That's what I kind of had an idea that they might do, because like I saw a picture of like all the renovations and stuff, so I thought they were probably just gonna, if they do keep doing events, just make it a little more expensive. So if they do that, depending on the price, I'd be okay with it, you know, especially if they renovate everything, I'd be cool with it.
Yeah, hopefully they re-record this.
Yeah, right, I know.
Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, you too. Yeah. I'm gonna be out here too. I'm gonna drive. I'm just kind of getting the video of everything. I might. I'm not sure. You? Okay, cool. I just realized there's 2 C10s out here. It's that one, and then there's that one. Oh, they got the GTRs out here too. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, there go Nate in the Challenger.
You can always ride them.
What's up, man? You been all right?
What's up, man?
I'm good. You too. You been good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Where's the BMW?
I left it at the house this time. I'm about to BRZ though. I'm driving though. I'm about to come on. Yeah, I'm about to get in line right now.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too. All right, we seen some cool cars. I got the track layout for the most part, and I seen a couple familiar faces, which was cool too. Which is why I hope they keep running events out here, because the community for everybody that comes out here is real close, and everybody, you know, kind of looks out for everybody. So I hope they keep doing events here. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop wasting time, and I'm gonna go ahead and get in grid, and we're gonna jump out there and get some practice laps in, because the competition starts in about 45 minutes. So I'll probably be able to get in about 3 runs before they start doing the actual battles. Because he sets times like that compete with the E36. That mini is quick. Alright, this is run number 3, first run with both the cameras, going up against the Chally. Alright, so I figure I'll give y'all a little like mid-event, I'm not really sure if we're halfway through, but update on what's going on. The car feels amazing. These coilovers feel good, the tires feel good, and these I have the Accelera 651 Sports, as you know, so you know it's like not like really a track tire, but there's a lot of grip in it. It turns in real good, you know, doesn't really have too much understeer, it kind of just, you know, rotates really good. So really, for not having like a track spec alignment or anything like that, I feel like it's handling pretty good. I am not complaining at all. I'm actually very happy with it. So yeah, there's a R32 Volkswagen, if you can see that in my mirror. Yeah, he pulled off track and it was smoking real bad, so I'm hoping he didn't dump oil on the track. If he did, we're probably gonna be sitting here for a while. But yeah, let me actually jump out and show the car again. Yeah, she looks good. And it does have some slight rubbing going on, but nothing too crazy that, you know, is detrimental. What rubs shall not rub no more if it rubs long enough, you know. I actually might try and see how it works out. I might try to put this camera on the mount that I have inside the car that the GoPro's mounted to, and see how this camera picks up in-car shots. Might be good, might be bad, I don't know, but I'm gonna try it for at least one run. This Camaro is so sick. I might call it after that run. It's 9:30. I don't know if they're doing classes. I don't think they are doing classes today. And I think I'm probably at don't have enough wins to compete with those heavy hitters out there. If they was doing classes, I would have definitely had enough wins, but yeah. I don't know how many drivers they're letting into the finals. But that don't matter because I have fun. That's what I came out here for. Got to test the car, test the coilovers with the new wheels and everything. But let me dismount the camera and then I'll talk more.